Do you know where are the main areas to soundproof your car using DrArtex material? Watch the video until the end. Main positions for sound and vibro insulation. First, arches. The reason to install here is to insulate tire running noise coming into the car. The material to cover that area is DrArtex Gold HD. Second area, bonnet. The reason to install here is to insulate engine hood vibration. The material to cover that area is DrArtex Gold HD. Third area for soundproof material installation is door. The reason to install here are: first, to reduce noises from door vibration, traffic noise, tire running noise. Second, to improve audio sound performance. For door, we are suggesting to use 4 layers of materials to get a perfect effect of soundproof, which are DrArtex Gold HD, DrArtex Baffle Plus, DrArtex Lace, and lastly DrArtex Red Wind. Fourth area for soundproofing is car floor. We install 2 layers of here materials because: first area, front floor, to reduce vibration from wheel arches and floor. We also want to reduce noise, high frequency, from floor. Second is rear floor, to reduce vibration from floor and to reduce noise, high frequency, from floor. The material to cover that area are DrArtex Quattro and DrArtex Vibro Barrier. For front floor, the material used for rear floor are DrArtex Quattro and DrArtex Baffle Plus. Fifth area for soundproof is car trunk. We install 2 layers of materials on car trunk to reduce vibration and noise from exhaust. Rattling noise caused by spare tire or tools box also can eliminate it after trunk soundproofing. We used 2 layers of material here, which are DrArtex Gold HD and DrArtex Baffle Plus. And the last area for soundproof is car roof. We install 2 layers of material on car roof to reduce raindrop noise and insulate heat from roof. The material to cover that area are DrArtex Gold HD and DrArtex Baffle Plus. Enjoy 10 years warranty for all DrArtex materials.
Visit ASC Malaysia for more info.